Tips for financial planning, budget and save. Hello and welcome to today's video. We will discuss the definition of financial planning, the 7-step process for creating a personal budget, and how to create objectives for savings and investing. Please subscribe to this channel if you are seeing videos here for the first time today in order to see more videos. Financial planning, how does it work? The practice of managing your finances so you can accomplish your financial or personal objectives is known as financial planning. It entails creating a budget, establishing savings and investing objectives, developing strategies for paying off debts and increasing wealth, knowing what kind of insurance you require, creating an estate plan, making retirement decisions are all examples of financial planning. Financial planning is to assist people in making wise decisions about how to spend, save, and invest their money. A personal budget is what? A personal budget is a strategy for how to spend and save your money over a predetermined period of time, typically 2 to 3 months, in order to maintain financial stability and accomplish your financial objectives. It entails tracking your spending, making financial resolution, and altering your spending habits. How can I create a personal budget? Making a list of your income and costs can allow you to determine how much you have and how much you are spending. The procedures listed below will help you create your own budget once you are aware of how much you make and how much you spend. First, make a record of your expenditures. For a month or two, keep record of every dollar you spend to determine where your money is going. Use an expense tracker app to accomplish this. 2. Put your income in writing. Include your pay, bonuses, and any other money you receive in your normal daily, weekly, or monthly income. 3. Group your expenditures. Create categories for your spending, such as lodging, travel, meals, entertainment, and debt repayment. Set spending restrictions based on your monthly income and outgoings. Determine how much you may spend in each category. Number 4, changes must be made. Find strategies to save money if your expenditure exceeds your income to put your budget into balance. Number 5, monitor your development. Maintain a spreadsheet or a budget tool to track your progress and make adjustments as necessary. Number 6, check your budget on a regular basis to make sure you are on track with your expenditures and moving closer to your financial objectives. The 7th tip is to be flexible. Adapt your budget when your requirements and circumstances change without being frightened to do so. Remember that making a budget that works for you is the objective. Personal saving practices. A person's savings are the funds they set aside from their salary for future use, typically for emergencies, expensive purchases, or retirement. By providing people with a fund they can use for unforeseen expenses or to achieve long-term financial goals, savings aim to provide them with a sense of stability and financial security. Savings can be done in a variety of ways, including through savings account, certificate of deposit, money market account, and other investment vehicles. For effective personal savings, follow these 6 practical steps. Number 1 is to establish a savings goal, which is the sum of money you intend to save over a predetermined period of time in order to meet a predetermined financial objective or make a predetermined purchase. Number 2 is to automate your savings. This is a strategy in which certain sum of money is routinely moved on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis automatically from your checking account to a savings account. The procedure is planned out in advance, and typically you don't need to perform any manual labor. Number 3, reduce spending that is not necessary for your day-to-day needs. This can help you free up cash that you can use to achieve your financial objectives, such as debt repayment, emergency savings, or investment. 4th, benefit from discounts and sales. Saving money in this way allows you to purchase the things you need or want. Number 5, refrain from impulse purchases. These are planned purchases that are frequently done on a whim. They end up costing a lot of money over time. Number 6, to earn extra money, consider taking a second job or working freelancing. Number 7, consider investing your money in a low-risk investment or high-yield savings account. The final point, make frequent revision to your savings strategy to ensure that you are moving closer to your objectives. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to this channel to see more content like this, and comment, like, and subscribe. I appreciate your time. Thank you.